Introducing the JOOAN doorbell camera video doorbell wireless Wi-Fi with chime. The doorbell has two-way audio, night vision detection, and AI human detection. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you have the chime. You just plug into an outlet. You also have where you can turn the volume up and down, or you can change the chime. You have the doorbell, which has the doorbell button and the camera, and it's got, you can use the intercom where you can talk to the person that's outside by your doorbell. He can talk back to you. And like if you have a delivery man out there, you can tell him, put the package over there by the flower pot, and watch him do it. And he can tell you, have a nice day. And you can say, you too. You have the power adapter and the power cord, so you can charge it up. You of course have the directions, the hardware to mount it, the plate that you mount onto the side of the door first. It's got sticky tape on the back, and you run the screws through with the anchors. You have the doorbell removal tool because it has anti-tamper alarm on it. So when you go to take it off, you have to turn your alarm off on your phone, and you push this down in there, and it releases it from the plate. You have a sticker to put above your doorbell, and that's it. Let's go get it hooked up. Well, actually, sitting at it. Oh. And it comes with an app that you use on your phone. Cam 720. And you can watch your videos on there. You have 3 days of cloud storage. And that's free, and it's repeating, so you don't have to pay month after month. It's free. And it's easy to mount. And it comes with all the hardware you need. Just when you're putting it on, watch that arrow. It's pointing up. Because if you put this on upside down and then try to put the camera or the doorbell on, you're not going to be able to get it on there. You just push it back in there. Make sure you got it in the right spot. And there you go. Then all you got to do is plug this in somewhere. You can change the chime. And you can change the volume. And this is the view from the doorbell cam. And there was an alarm saying somebody showed up. And after you get an alarm, everything will show up here. And then you can watch it. And if that wasn't me, I could talk to me through the camera. And like I said, this has 3 months or 3 days cloud storage that repeats every month that you don't have to pay for. Most of the cameras, maybe all the doorbell cameras, don't have that. You have to pay for the service.